Welcome back everyone. As most of you know by now, Samsung finally released their Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and I got the S21 Plus. Unfortunately, I wasn't good looking enough for Samsung to send one out, so I had to go buy it with my own money and more importantly, wait like weeks after this thing was announced. But let's go and unbox it now. The sticker setup is very annoying because it takes 45 minutes for myself to go ahead and take the stickers out. I don't have a knife on me right now, so this is the best we got. And there we go, all the stickers are off, so now we can go ahead and kind of pull this thing away. And as you will probably see, I'll be completely honest, the price difference between the S21 and S21 Plus is I think the same as last year, but the prices have decreased. But what's crazy is that the S21 Plus I think is the way better phone between the two. Now you do have this huge little plastic thing they could easily take away, but you also have the S21 Plus right here. Now they do have the flat display this time around. And you do have that frosted glass back apparently, and it does feel really nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and boot this up and set it to the side for 1 second. As you can see, it'll probably boot up. There we go. The rest of the box, I've totally forgot these things came with a charging cable. I thought, Samsung got rid of both of them, but it still comes with a charging cable. It just doesn't come with a charging brick, but you can always buy it separately. And what's very cool, as you can see, charging brick in here, and I think some papers and that's it. What's really cool that Apple doesn't do, maybe they don't need to, but they actually throw in like a $150 credit or something like that if you buy it through Samsung's website. And I always stack up on so much stuff, like their Galaxy Buds I got for free, their wireless charger I got for free last time with the S20. I got like a power bank, some crazy stuff, you know what I mean? So this time around with the S21 Plus, first of all, let me go ahead and take out the little plastic thing they have on the back as typical. I'm going to put it over here. They also have it on the front on the top corner, so let me go and pull this out. And that really pretty much covers up the whole entire, unboxing. Now I will be saving the whole entire, going through this process and all that stuff later on, so I don't bore you guys. But looking around the phone, starting off with the side, first of all, this phone feels extremely premium. I think it arguably feels better than the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Any S20, I think it was, those are good looking phones and everything, but this phone feels more premium right out the gate. Also, the back with its frosted back glass. Now, funny enough, I think the S20 Plus actually had a quadruple camera setup. Kind of this one now has a triple camera setup. It's totally okay. I'm going to do a bunch of different things. You have the flash right here. This phone feels better, I think, than any other Samsung phone besides the Note 20 Ultra. I think this one feels extremely premium. You have the power buttons on the other side. This side, you don't really have anything. USB Type-C on the bottom. And the beautiful display. Now it is a 1080p display. Do I notice a ginormous difference? Not really, but I do notice that because this phone doesn't have the curved edge, a lot of people don't like it. This one has a flat display. I think flat displays are more capable, and they're just better so you're not randomly touching things all the time. But I think curved displays look more premium, you know what I mean? I think a flat display, I'm so used to it with like the Galaxy A series. And this one still looks really good though. And it feels really premium. Like this phone feels way better than any of the iPhones. It feels better than obviously the S21. Any of the S20s, this one feels better than because of that frosted back. This thing feels extremely beautiful. So I'm going to do a bunch of comparisons, a bunch of other things with it too. Best believe you guys already know when I get a phone, I talk about it like crazy. So more videos to come. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.